Okay, so they just announced a temporary 3-day lockdown. So what's really lucky is that I just, from Amazon, got delivered this Kaliu tea set so that I can try my hand at making matcha in the traditional way. So I'll just walk you through a little bit what I got in the box. So this is a traditional ceremonial tea set because I was looking around, and what I found was that even to get a chasen little brush was about $56, $57. And this entire set was kind of sort of around that price. So you've got one of these little traditional whisks, which is pretty exciting. So you can see that there. So handmade with bamboo. Okay, so that'll whisk it up. It also comes with a little mixing bowl, so that will go in with that. It also has this little thing here to use to sort of store and dry your whisk, because if they're incorrectly stored they can mould. So there's that, so that sits on there. And it also comes with a little measure, so you can measure the amount of matcha that you're going to use. So this is a matcha that I got from a grocer, an Asian grocer nearby. So there was a few different versions. There was a culinary quality, and this is the universal quality, which is a bit more expensive, and I think just kind of it's a more vibrant green and kind of makes a lighter, fresher kind of style of matcha. So I'm very, very new to all of this, but anyway, now that I've got my tools, I'll give it a go, see how it turns out. Okay, so this is the next part where I'm taking this little scoop and getting just, I might have a slightly larger cup of the matcha, so I'll do 2 of those scoops and I'll wipe that down a bit later. Pouring in some water that I've boiled to 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, not too much. To be honest, I don't actually really know what I'm doing. So now I'm just going to move this whisk around a little bit. But basically, you just need to be careful not to hit the sides or the bottom too much. And I've heard that you can do like an M or a W kind of a shape just to kind of whisk it all around. And you can see already, I might add a bit more water. Already it's getting quite a froth on there, which is kind of fun and amazing actually. I'm starting to smell that really kind of green, fresh matcha smell, kind of a bit grassy, a bit floral. Wow, and so you can see there just after about a minute it's getting a really nice kind of foam on the top, so I might just do that just for another little minute. Good little mini forearm workout. Okay, so there you go. So now I'll just have a bit of a sneaky little taste of that. Yep, really quite fresh. I think having those bubbles really just kind of makes the flavour a little bit mellow. And I think it really is worthwhile investing in kind of a good quality matcha for this process. But that's really, really quite pleasing. I tried with a like a milk frother to try and get a bit of a foam yesterday, but didn't get anywhere near that kind of result. So there you go. Happy days.